Hi guys, so I have a song called Revenge na ma-release na sa October 10 and let me tell you what it's about. It is about a nice girl na okay lang sa kanya kahit laging take advantage siya palagi, pero very forgiving siya, very understanding. Tinotolerate niya lang palagi yung ginagawa sa kanya kasi she chooses to be kind until one day napuno na siya and then she snapped. Ginawa ko to para sa mga taong kagaya niya. Hindi nila alam kung paano yung paglaban sa sarili nila or natatakot sila lumaban. I want this song to represent that feeling na sawang-sawa na sa injustice and unfairness. And also, sana mabigyan ng lakas ng loob ang mga tao na mag-stand up na for themselves para itigil na or matigil na yung maling ginagawa sa kanila. That's all, and I hope you guys stream my song on October 10. I hope you guys like that song. Thank you so much.